Good afternoon, sir. Introducing my name Tia Valenza, NIM 1733009. I will here explain the danger of COVID-19 and how to prevent COVID-19. Danger from COVID-19. 1. COVID-19 cause variation complication of the disease to death. Some cases of COVID-19 cause symptoms with mild and moderate nature. However, some patients experience complications that are worth watching out for. Uh, 2. Curtain growth are more at risk of experiencing COVID-19. 3. Transmission of new coronavirus tend to occur easily. 4. There is no great drug to deal with COVID-19. 5. The extent of a silent spider, a symptom but can transmit. 1. Wash your hands. Um, the first action that can be done to ward of the coronavirus is by diligently washing your hands, because the hand is one part of the body which is the source of disease. Uh, Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds to kill the coronavirus using soap and clean water. After that, dry your hands using a clean cloth or tissue. 2. Avoiding touching the face. Um, it is now that hands can be a source of disease because they often come in contact with objects the other people. Meanwhile, the coronavirus can enter the human body through facial, nose, and mouth droplets. 3. Sneezing and cough ethics. Relate to ethics and cough properly with the inside of the elbow or clean tissue. Therefore, the liquid produced by the complication of causing the sneezing can be coronavirus transmission medium. If you ask tissue, immediately throw in the trash and wash your hands with soap until it is clean the dry again. 4. Wear the mask. Coronavirus does not spread into the air. However, the use of mask can be used to transmit the coronavirus. Therefore, the coronavirus can spread um, through droplet and can enter the body through the membrane of the leather, such as the eyes, mouth, and nose. 5. Avoided the direct interaction. Uh, a simple why the word of a virus social with escaping direct interaction such as cooking, seeking hands, and so on. Seek avoid sharing personal item. The other people personal belonging can increase the risk of coronavirus transmission, because there is no problem. This virus can infect the human body to a carrier state the carrier and transmit corona COVID-19 virus to others. 7. Social alignment. Social or physical alignment is one interaction that is often uh, by various variants caused by interacting. The distance between each other can reduce the risk of the spread to the coronavirus. Always consider the facial distance from others, which is 1 meter. This step can be avoid complication in public place or complication outside the come to war of virus that enter the body and cause source health problems. 8. Was food ingredients. Always Was the food obtained before frozen in? I eat. The reason is in food there are was gram bacteria to the coronavirus. 9. Clean to home furnishing. Virus can stick to the surface of object then often occur interaction. Therefore, always can furniture at home. Um, 10. Boost immunity. Not only to precaution outside the body tissue, but you also need to take precaution from inside the body. Alright, sir. That all my explanation. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir.